All right, happy homeowners. Want to give you a quick update from yesterday. Got all the repair done. Remember we took all the wood out of the bedroom. So now once this is sanded, it'll be the same age, the same wood, everything. You'll never be able to see. This will look as if it was original, because the wood is original. We actually started sanding, almost have the room installed, working on replacing the vents. Keith is over here, look at that. So the newer wood may be a little bit lighter, but that's in the back bedroom. And this wood, for 80 years old, is in extremely good shape. And this is only our first sanding, our 36 grit. We try to get all these carpet cuts out. That's from when they put carpet in, they use the razor blade and cut across the wood. You can see that. So we try to get all those out. Sometimes they're just too deep, but this thing is beautiful, gonna be great. So wait for the follow-up. Yes. All right, happy homeowners, we're getting close. Got the fan going. All the repairs are done. Remember the heater hole that was here yesterday? That's the putty. That's going to be sanded off in a couple of minutes. It's all beautiful. It's one of the best floors we've had in a while. Heater hole used to be here. That putty will be sanded off. We try to fill in the gaps and cracks. These older homes, you're gonna always have gaps and cracks. It's wood, it's always gonna grow and shrink. We try to do what we can. This is a raised foundation, so bouncing on it, the vibration, the putty will eventually crack out. This is all the new wood, which was the old wood from the bedroom. As soon as I finish this video, we'll be sanding that off. Go back in here to the bedroom so you can see. So you can barely see new wood, the older wood. And the older wood is a lower grade, meaning it's like a #1 common, so it has like the mineral marks, the knot holes. This is the select red oak. We try to pick out the dirty pieces. Just the new wood is never going to match 100% the old wood. That's why we spent the extra time and extra money to remove this and put it in this front room where everyone's going to always see it. So stay tuned.